Hello, everyone. I hope each and every one of you is doing very, very well. Welcome again to our channel, which is Tutoring Made Easy. The goal of this channel is to help people have a comfortable and an easy tutoring from us. If you have specific topics that you want us to do videos on, please do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Um, Drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be more than willing to do videos for you. If you are already a subscriber, please, we thank you so much for helping us grow our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to continue our math journey. And to continue this math journey, we are going to look at the topic known as binomial expansion. Binomial expansion. What is binomial expansion? I hope you've seen maybe somewhere, you could be asked to expand maybe x plus, let's say, y exponent 4. And that could be a bit tedious. We could do that by maybe someone is going to say, okay, you know what? Let me do it x plus y, multiplied by another x plus y, multiplied by another x plus y, multiply it by another x plus y. Then the person is going to take it, will keep expanding each one at a time. I think that is doable, but it's going to take a long process to be able to achieve that. As a result, there is a short way in helping us address this particular problem. And that short way is known as the Pascal Triangle. There is something known as there's something called the Pascal Triangle. The Pascal Triangle. And to be able to start with the Pascal Triangle, the first thing is to always start with a 1. You always start with a 1, like this. Started with a 1. And then you draw another 2, like maybe like this. You put 1, 1 by the side. You start with 1, and then you write 2 bars, 1 to the left of the one on top and 1 to the right. Okay? Then the next thing is to write a 1 on the left here. And then we are going to add this and this. We add them together, this one and this one. We add it together, we get 2. When we get the 2, we put it in the middle. We put it in the middle of this side of this 2. We put it in the middle. So the 2 will be here, like that. So let me take that again. We always start with 1. We're going to start with 1. And then we write a 1 to the left of that 1 and a 1 to the right of that 1. The next thing is to write a 1 to the left of the next 2 strokes, and then you add the 2 strokes and you get 2. Then you place that 2 in the middle of the 2 strokes, and then you put another 1 to the right, like that. The next thing is to write another 1 to the left, and then you see this 2, we're going to add it, and we get 3. When we add it, we get 3, and when we get that 3, we are going to write it also in the middle between 1 and 2. Now the next thing is also to add 2 and 1. And when we do that, we are going to also get 3. But remember, we have to write it also between the 2 and the 1. And as a result, we get 3. So that 3 is going to be in the middle here. It's going to be in the middle. And then we also have to add another 1 to the right of it. We keep going. We put another 1 here. We add the 1 and the 3. We get 4. We put it in the middle. 3 and plus the 3, we get 6. We put it in the middle of the 3 and 3. The 3 plus the 1, we get 4. We put it in the middle of the 3 and the 1. And then we put 1 also on the out end of it. Then we keep going. The next thing is to have 1 on this side here. Add 1 plus the 4, we get 5. We put it in the middle. 4 plus the 6, we get 10. We put that 10 in the middle. And then the 6 plus the 4, we get also another 10. Put it in the middle. And 4 plus the 1, we get 5. We put it also in the middle. And then we put 1 right here. We keep doing that. We get 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and 1. We keep going. 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, and 1. And this is what we call the Pascal Triangle. You can see clearly, we draw some arrows, dotted lines. We can see the shape it is taken, and it's known as the Pascal Triangle. And it was named after a man by name Pascal. That's why it goes by the name Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle. So this is if you have 0, you are being told to expand something, maybe x plus y to the exponent of 0, this first one here. The next one is this one. We are being told to expand, let's say, x plus y all to the power of 1. Yes. And then the next one is to expand x plus y to the power of 2. The next one here is x plus y to the power of 3. And you can see this exponent 3, you can see 3 and 3 repeated in there. The exponent 2 has 2 in the middle there, as you can see. And then when we go ahead, we're going to have, the next one is going to be to expand x plus y exponent 4. And you see, we can see the 4 being repeated there. The next one will be x plus y exponent 5. Next one is x plus y exponent 6. And then I think the last one is x plus y exponent 7. Like that. So how do we apply this? How are we going to apply this? So let's imagine we're going to solve this one. The x plus y exponent 4 is going to be this lane here. This lane right here. This lane right here is to expand the x plus y exponent 4. What this means is that these numbers, this 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1, they are simply the coefficients. The coefficients, or I think the exponents. They are the let me take that again. I think they are the coefficients of both the x and the y. They are the coefficients of both the x and the y. So let's see how that works. So the x plus the y exponent 4, we are first going to have our x to the power of what? Our x to the power of 1, right? Our x to the power of 4, our x to the power of 4, like this, plus, because the coefficient here is 1. You can see that. This is the first coefficient, is 1, and we're going to have x to the exponent of 4. The next one will be the next coefficient is 4. So we're going to have plus 4. And then we are going to have x going to decrease. Because we started at 4 as the exponent, the x will decrease to the power of 3. And then our y will begin with the exponent of 1. Now the next one is going to have a coefficient of 6. We're done with the 4 here. We're going to have the coefficient of 6. The next one is 6. And however, our x is also going to decrease in power. It's going to go to x squared, x to the power of 2. Right. On the other hand, our y will increase. Our y will increase to the exponent of 2 because it was 1 here. It goes up by 2. Then the next thing is to continue with the coefficient of 4. We're going to have 4 coefficient, and our x also reduces finally to 1, and then the y increases to 3. The y goes to 3. Then the last one, the coefficient for the last one is 1. We're just going to have 1, right? The last one is going to be 1. The coefficient is 1. The x is no more. The x is to the power of 0. And any number to the power of 0 is 1. So it's no more. We have 1 as the coefficient. However, our y is going to increase by 4. It means that, therefore, x plus y exponent 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 4x cubed y plus 6x squared y squared plus 4xy to the power of 3. And finally, plus y4. Finally, plus y exponent 4. And there you have it. This is how we apply the Pascal triangle to binomial expansion. I hope this helps. If there's any little bit of blurriness, I would advise you take a little break, pause the video, and then go back again, and everything will come out very, very clean. Please do us a favor and subscribe. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do us a favor by subscribing to our channel to help our channel grow, to help as many people as possible. If you have specific topics you want us to do a video on, please feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be more than willing to do a video on that for you. But at this moment, I'd like to end here, and I'll come back to you another time. Please take care. Bye.